In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Gusto. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through every step. Let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your mobile device. The Google Play Store is the digital marketplace where you can find and download apps. It's essential to have a stable internet connection to ensure a smooth process. Once you're in the Google Play Store, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll see a search bar there. Tap on it to activate the keyboard. This search bar is your gateway to finding any application you need on your device. Next up, type in Gusto Mobile into the search bar. Be sure to spell it correctly to ensure you find the right app. This particular app is designed by Gusto Inc. and is essential for managing payroll, benefits, and more on the go. Accurate typing here saves time and avoids confusion. After you enter Gusto Mobile, you'll see a list of search results. Look for the application developed by Gusto Inc. It's crucial to select the right one to make sure you're downloading the genuine app. Selecting the wrong app could lead to security issues or missing out on the features you need. Now tap on the app that reads Gusto Mobile by Gusto Inc. This will take you to the app's download page. On this page, you'll find detailed information about the app, including user reviews and screenshots. It's always a good idea to glance over this information to confirm that it meets your needs. With that ready, locate the Install button on the app's page and tap it. This button is usually highlighted to make it easy to find. Tapping Install will start the download process. This step is crucial because it begins the installation of the app on your device. After tapping Install, you'll need to wait for the download to complete. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed. During this time, the app is being downloaded and installed on your device. It's important to let the process finish without interrupting it to ensure the app functions correctly. Once the download is complete, you'll see an Open button in place of the Install button. Tap Open to launch the app for the first time. Opening the app right after installation makes sure everything is working as expected. Now that the app is open, it's time to sign into your account. You'll need your login credentials for this step. Signing in is necessary because it allows you to access all the features of Gusto and manage your accounts effectively. If you haven't set up an account yet, you might need to do so directly on the app or their website. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and opened the Gusto app on your mobile device. This makes it easy to manage your payroll and other HR tasks from anywhere. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Enjoy using Gusto and all the convenience it brings to your business needs.